So the basic idea with this FreeSprings webpage is that I can see all these different stubbed out caves, see different caves with these pages right here. And let's say I want to look at the Keltner Saltpeter Cave. Philip Sullivan graciously gave this guy here to me, and you have a full PDF you can browse, possibly other data as well. But the idea being that, let's say I take his map or take some data about it, or I want to add a description or whatnot. I can just click this button right below here, and this is what you're seeing here. This translates into that web page. Here's some text. Here is the actual graciously provided, and it's a link to a file that you can upload here as well. And let's just say chords are estimates accurate to the county. Dead simple. So I can change that, and I can commit these changes, and I wouldn't normally have this privilege if I was not pretty much an admin of this repo, and say fix Keltner. And you know, you can call it whatever you want, but you propose these changes, and you open this pull request right here, and later, again, just me as an admin, I get to see this, and I have the power to merge this, and hopefully others will too. Once we get reputable contributors, we can start handing out privileges and let them review these pull requests and say, hey, yeah, that's about right, or hey, actually instead of writing this, let's give actual perfect coordinates and let me type this here, and you can discuss this sort of stuff by writing comments and all this other stuff. So it's really by design meant to be scalable, and then we can merge this, and automatically it's going to take about somewhere in the neighborhood of 3 to 5 minutes, but it will actually update on this website, and no other action is necessary. So that's the idea, is empowering the average scuba diver to be like, hey, I like having a description here for what Keltner is, or maybe I should warn them about this particular thing, or you know, pretty much anything. It's all kind of limitless by design, and this is basic markdown language. This is dead simple to learn. Once you get an idea for it, it takes maybe 5 minutes and you can start writing pages. You can add files. You can do whatever you want with it. It's really lovely though. So that's the basics of this whole thing. Is you can write comments and say, hey, I want this changed. But this entire flow of moderation but accessibility to change is the idea, and I'm hoping that it gets the cave community more involved and puts this stuff in a centralized location that people can access. So let's go right back to, what was it, Keltner? Chords are estimates. There we go. Accurate to the county. So we're good to go. Dead simple.